In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export data in QuickBooks Online. Exporting your data is an essential task for creating backups, analyzing your financials, or transferring information to other tools. Whether you need reports like profit and loss or balance sheets, or lists like your chart of accounts, customers, or vendors, QuickBooks Online makes the process simple and straightforward. By the end of this video, you'll have all the steps you need to efficiently export your data and ensure everything is saved exactly as you need it. If you don't already have a QuickBooks Online account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. All right, let's dive in. The first thing you'll need to do is sign in to your QuickBooks Online company account. Make sure you're logging in with admin or full access permissions, as these are required to export data. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the QuickBooks dashboard. Now, look toward the top right-hand corner of the screen. There, you'll see the gear icon. That's your settings menu. Go ahead and click on it. Once the menu opens, you'll see several options, but for this tutorial, you'll want to select Export Data. Click on that, and it will bring you to the Export Data page. Here's where you'll see two distinct sections, one for reports and one for lists. Take a moment to review the page and think about what kind of data you need. If you're looking for financial summaries, you'll want to focus on reports, which include items like your profit and loss statement or balance sheet. On the other hand, if you're looking to export information about your accounts, customers, or vendors, you'll want to check out the list section. Once you've identified the type of data you need, it's time to make your selections. You'll notice checkboxes next to each item in both the reports and lists sections. Simply check the boxes for the items you want to export. For example, if you only need your profit and loss report, you can select just that. Or, if you need multiple items, feel free to check as many as you need. Next, take a look at the date range. If you're exporting a report that needs to cover a specific time period such as a particular month or fiscal year, you can adjust the date range here. Make sure the dates align with the period you're focusing on. If the default range works for you, you can leave it as is. Once all your selections are finalized and you're happy with the chosen date range, it's time to export. Click on the button that says Export to Excel. QuickBooks will now process your request depending on the amount of data selected. It may take a few moments for the file to be prepared. Be patient and wait for the download to begin automatically. After the download is complete, locate the file or compressed folder in your Downloads folder or the location where your browser saves files. Open the file to verify its contents. Check that all the data you selected has been included and that the formatting looks correct. This step is important to ensure you have everything you need. If you find that something is missing or you need additional data, you can always return to the Export Data page. From there, you can adjust your selections or select new items to export. Repeat the process as necessary until you have all the information you need. And that's it! You've successfully exported data from QuickBooks Online. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.